In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to your Google Calendar. This process will allow you to seamlessly integrate your calendar within your Notion workspace, ensuring that you never miss an important event again. Whether you're managing personal tasks or coordinating with a team, having your calendar right at your fingertips is a game changer. Let's dive right into the steps. First, head over to Notion's website. Once you're there, go ahead and click on Log In. You'll notice several options for logging in, but for our purpose today, we're going to focus on using Google. So click on the Google option. You'll be prompted to choose an account. Simply select the Google account you wish to link with Notion. After successfully logging in, navigate to the specific Notion page where you plan to incorporate your Google Calendar. Now the next step takes us to Indify.co. Indify provides a Google Calendar widget that you can use in Notion. Once on Indify's site, locate this widget. You'll need to name your widget. It could be something straightforward like My Calendar or more specific depending on how you plan to use it. After naming your widget, click on Continue. Then sign in with the same Google account you've been using. You might need to re-authenticate for security purposes, so go ahead and select your account once more. You're almost there. Google will ask if you want to provide permissions to Indify to access your calendar. You'll need to allow these permissions to proceed, so make sure to check the appropriate boxes and click on Continue. After completing these steps, you'll receive a custom link at the bottom of the Indify site. This link is critical because it links your Google Calendar to Notion. Copy this link carefully. Once you have your link, return to your Notion page. In any blank space where you'd like your calendar to appear, type embed. You should see an option to embed. Select it. In the dialog box that appears, paste the link you copied from Indify. To finalize, click on Embed Link. Take a brief moment to appreciate the seamless setup. Your Google Calendar is now fully functional within your Notion workspace. This integration allows for easy access to your schedules while ensuring your workspace remains organized and efficient. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your Google Calendar to Notion, creating a powerful hub for productivity. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe or follow for more helpful tutorials like this one. Have a productive day.